automation fair, and again talking about Checkpoint. One of the other functions that we've developed within Checkpoint to solve the unplanned breakdown scenarios on shop floors is the raise alert function. One of the key problems that you have in factories is you have repeated problems. So the same thing happens over and over and over. And there's no record of how often it happens, when it happens, and who's actually gone out to solve it. So we have a raise alert function in our Odin Checkpoint app, and it's pretty simple to use. The moment an issue happens, the raise alert button is pressed. So the problem that's happened on that asset is automatically logged. The time it took for the technician to arrive and solve the problem is all logged. And we have SMS and WhatsApp notification directly to the right people's phones. This way we can keep a record of every time an issue happens on a particular asset and how often it happens, which then drives the right preventative maintenance to make sure that doesn't happen again. Odin Checkpoint.